Good morning, students. Welcome to your English OP class. Dear kids, hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Students, open book page number 60. बुक पेज नंबर 60. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हमने जो है वो ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर सेंटेंसेस को मैच किया है. एक्सरसाइज ए ऑलरेडी हम लोग सॉल्व कर चुके हैं. टुडे वी विल रन एक्सरसाइज नंबर बी. Look at the pictures and use these words to make sentences. Here are the words. We have to use the words to make sentences. Hat, skirt, trousers, caps, shorts. For example, he is wearing trousers. He is wearing trousers. आपने जो है वो इस तरह से सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं. Hat, the hat is in yellow color. Skirts are very beautiful. Yeah, she is wearing skirts. Now kids, you have to make sentences using these words: hat, skirts, trousers, caps, shorts. And also read sentences from here. They are pushing an elephant. They are pushing an elephant. It is drinking milk. She is touching her eyes. They are reading a book. He is touching his ears. Students, you have to read these sentences, and after that you have to make sentences using these words: hat, skirt, trouser, cap, shorts. Example: he is wearing trouser. He is wearing hat. His hat is beautiful. His hat's color is yellow. Etc. Now kids, it's your turn to make sentences and also read these sentences from book page number 60. Allah Hafiz.